Buying a land is like saving your money. In years' time, you're going to benefit a lot of you out there to buy landed properties from our company.
Rowdy Global has done amazing job. Like, this is very nice. Like, they delivered on their promise.
I'm so much excited.
You can see it on my face. I'm excited. I'm happy.
Global Limited is a beautiful and reputable real estate company that you can rely on. You can just trust them and expect the best from them.
From my experience so far, I would say they are the best.
Rowdy Global have delivered on their promise.
About Elite Court Estate, there are few plots remaining. If you've not bought a piece of Elite Court Estate, you are missing. To be very honest, you are missing.